Hello and welcome to Polynomials. This is my first YouTube video, so I'm basically just going to do something random and we'll figure it out from there. So, as there's no math or physics over the summer, obviously, I was just thinking of stuff that I could do to test out how YouTube works and everything. And I came across actual uses of polynomials. In math, we always factor them and we, FOIL them and all that, and we don't really realize how they can actually be used. So most of that entails just plugging in actual numbers for the x. And I'll give an example because it'll make more sense. So let's say we have x plus 1 squared. Math tells us that that equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. But there's no use to that unless we're just factoring something out. Unless we say, well, what if I want to find 31 squared? Well, that's just 30 plus 1 squared. Which is just 30 squared plus 2 times 30 plus 1. Well, 30 squared is 900 plus 60 plus 1 equals 961. And that's a really easy way of finding a polynomial. So there are uses, and you can do that with x plus 2 or x minus 17 or something like that if you feel like it. And another one, and I'm only going to do 2 because this is just a tester video, but another one you can use is that x squared minus y squared equals x plus y, x minus y. And usually, this is over a fraction and we're canceling stuff and deriving it in math class. But let's say we were trying to find 225 minus 169, and we had to do it really quickly so there wasn't enough time to subtract. But if I actually do it, we find that it's going to equal 56, so that's just something we know. Well, 225 is 15 squared, 169 is 13 squared. So that's like saying 15 minus 13 times 15 plus 13. That's just x plus y, x minus y. So 15 minus 13 is 2, 15 plus 13 is 28, and that equals 56, which is what we had earlier. So those are just some uses you can get out of polynomials beyond, what we've been doing in math class, just some common things you might find. This is just a tester video, so, if you want to like it, do whatever, I don't really care. But I'm just making sure this works. So, thanks for watching.